Hey guys, so my friend is here with me.
Hey.
And she just got this fidget toy set and it's filled with 8 mesh balls and we're gonna review them. Okay, so that's what they look like. Okay, so it looks like that there's 4 like Neato looking ones and
4 gel type ones.
okay, so in the dough like Neato ones, there's pink and these all have black mesh. There's pink, blue, yellow, and green.
And for the gel ones, they all have white mesh. There's pink, blue, green, and orange.
They're all really pretty and we definitely recommend these.
Yes, they're amazing, and mesh balls are one of my favorite Neatos to just feel and squish.
Yeah, so definitely, and you got these off of Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon, and they were only $15 for 8 really good quality fidgets.
Yeah, we definitely recommend them. Bye.
Bye.